Hi, I'm Jeff, and from time to time we get questions on our paper punches. Questions like, my punch doesn't work as well as it used to. Can it be fixed? Can it be sharpened? Well, the answer is yes. These dull paper punches can be made new again with a punch head replacement kit. The instructions are the same for both of these punches. Let's demonstrate on this one. First, locate the punch pin removal tools, which can be found attached to the bottom of the punch. Next, raise the punch handle to its full open position. Secure the punch pin with the pin holder, then loosen the hex screw with the hex key while holding the pin in place with the pin holder. Remove the worn out punch pin by pulling down and out with the pin holder. Next, push the replacement punch pin all the way up into the punch pin socket while holding the punch pin with the pin holder. Secure the punch pin into the punch pin socket by tightening the hex screw. For best punch results, occasionally rotate the punch disc. To replace the punch disc, use your finger, apply downward pressure, and slide the disc back to remove it. Install the new punch disc by placing it in the socket guide and pushing it forward until it secures into the socket. And there you have it. Your paper punch is just like new, no more dull punch heads. At Swingline, we build products to last. Let us know if you have any questions and we'll be happy to answer them.